Karrueche cooking and finished food on Deion and Karrueche photos and videos as Karrueche was cooking for her man.
Alright, it's my man's birthday, so I cooked. Made some baked chicken, black pepper smothered black pepper steak. Something like that. It's delicious. First time making that in my life. Yes. Fresh cornbread. That's my gluten-free mac and cheese. And this is the rest of the cornbread. It's actually not bad.
Forget the expensive gifts. Karrueche may have just served Coach Prim the ultimate birthday present, and it took her 5 hours in the kitchen. From a full homemade feast to a special Happy Prim Day cake, Karrueche made sure Deion's birthday came with plenty of love, and fans are definitely taking notes. Karrueche is showing what sometimes that most meaningful birthday gift isn't something to buy, it's something you put your time into creating. As Deion celebrated his birthday on August 9th, Karrueche gave fans a peek behind the scenes of the celebration, showing off the serious work she put into his birthday meal. And judging from what she shared, this was definitely not a quick dinner. Karrueche shared footages from the kitchen as she prepared homemade spread for Coach Prim. In one of the posts, she explained that she was a day late but had spent 5 hours in the kitchen preparing the meal for her man. The spread featured the kind of comfort food lineup, and they could easily turn a birthday dinner into a full-on feast. Baked kitchen steak, yams, macaroni and cheese, green beans, and cornbread. So definitely Karrueche did not just stop with the main meal. She also showed off a special birthday cake decorated in red, black and white with the word Happy Prim Day. With that emotional part, what makes this moment stand out is the effort behind it. 5 hours in the kitchen is a serious commitment, and for a couple whose relationship has already attracted plenty of public attention, moments like these give fans another glimpse at their more personal side. Deion has previously spoken warmly about Karrueche, deciding her as someone who makes sure he's taken care of and praising her personality. And this isn't the first time Karrueche has been seen putting her kitchen skills to work for Deion. Earlier this year, she was also filmed preparing food for him, including baked chicken and other dishes, including a family moment. Now here's a question: after spending 5 hours preparing all of these, do you think Karrueche just raised the birthday gift standard way too high? Because honestly, this some serious birthday efforts. Coach Prim may have received plenty of birthday wishes this year, but Karrueche's gift came with something money can't easily buy: time, effort, and a whole lot of personal touch. And judging by the plate, somebody was definitely eating good. Leave your comments below.